In this video, we'll see how we can add animation like this one. When someone hover over it, it will change the color. Pop-up box. Here you can see animation. The things are sliding. When I hover over image, it will zoom out. Then here you can see it will slide from left or right when you scroll down. So there are some basic animation. We'll see how we can add animation, overall animation in Elementor. Let's go. We'll see different type of animation how we can add inside the Elementor. So continuing the previous video, as you see, I have created this page. Now we'll try to add animation in it. First, let's start with button. I want when someone hover over it, there should be animation. Go to button, click on style, go on hover. Then here you can see hover animation, like grow. Like when I hover over it, it grows. You can see there are different type. You can set the timing of animation. It will delay, how much delay, the color should change, like here. Okay? So there are different type of animation that you want. Now we will try to add animation like I want to image should grow when I hover over it. This is also kind of animation. Go on style, go on image. You can see hover. What I want it should solid grow. Like when I hover over it, it keep growing. You can add same thing for like this style. You can add here, you can see animation in different section as per your need. Like if you want to add some animation here, you can also add that. Now this is, as of now, we are adding animation into elements. Now we'll try to add animation in whole section. How? Like when I scroll down, these three boxes should animate and display. How? Like when I click on just this element, advanced, scroll down, there is, you can see an option of motion effect. Click here, interest animation. I will rate it slide in. I want to use slide in from left. What will happen when I scroll down? It will slide in from left and it will, suppose I want to slide it from right, something like that. You can also add these type of animation, like I will change it to slide in from right and this will be from bottom. It's not for you. The people who want to show animation, these are different type of animation you can select as per your need. You can add different type of animation in button. Everywhere you can add animation in Elementor for free. There's not much customization you can add in any section. Just now I am just telling a overview basic animation how you can add in your Elementor. So I have updated it. Now let's see how it will look. When I hover over it, here you can see when I scroll down, here you can see section are coming. When I hover over it will pop. Then here you can see section is coming. So this is the basic animation I have added in this Elementor page. So that I was talking about. So that's all for video. If you want to know any about any related to specific animation functionality you want to know, let me know. I will create a video on it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.